Happy Thursday, everyone. So today we're going to do the Live Gluten-Free General Tso's chicken. This you can get at Aldi. It's a tempura white meat chicken with zesty Asian style sauce. It comes fully cooked and it has the package of chicken that you have to put in the pan with some oil, and also this is the sauce that is frozen. And I'm going to show you guys how I cook this. So the first thing I have is my rice, and I have this little rice cooker. My rice is ready to go, so I'm going to go ahead and start cooking my rice first. I just pop this on top of my air fryer, and I have a really old house, so I have to keep changing outlets. There we go. Right now it says warm. I'm going to press that down to cook. So we'll wait for that to cook, and then I'm going to start getting my pan ready for the chicken. Go ahead and turn my stove on. Put a little tablespoon of oil in there to heat that up. And we'll be right back with some chicken. So the oil's been heated. I'm going to now pour in my chicken. And we're going to let that cook up for a little bit. While that is cooking, I'm going to come back over here. And I use the same bag that everything comes in, and I'm going to pour some hot water in there and just let that thaw out. There we go, that should be good. Don't mind my dishes. Alright, so we're cooking this in a skillet. You can microwave or use a conventional oven. I choose to cook mine in the skillet with the vegetable oil. So I'm heating on medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes, turning chicken frequently, and then adding the sauce for an additional 1 to 2 minutes. This is a really easy meal to make. And if you are gluten-free, you know what it's like to not be able to eat Chinese food. It can be very hard to even find anything that's gluten-free that you can eat as far as Chinese food goes. I have a hard time in my area anyway, looking for a safe place to eat. So this is one of my go-tos when I'm craving Chinese food. I'm going to let that cook up, and then we're going to add the sauce. So this chicken is nice and crispy. I'm going to go ahead and pour my sauce in. There's 2 packages. If you like a lot of zest, I would definitely add both packages. But if you're looking for something less zesty, you might want to just put the 1 package. I recommend for the full taste of this dish to use both packets. I'm going to mix that up, and I'm going to let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so my rice is all cooked. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Ouch, that's hot. Nice, hot, steamed rice. I'm going to go ahead and put a few of these into my dish. A couple spoonfuls anyway. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and bring this over to my stove. This has been sitting here simmering for a few minutes. And we're going to go ahead and take a couple of spoons of these chickens and put it on top of the rice. There we go. Maybe some sauce, a little bit of the sauce. It looks really good. Alright guys, there you have it. The Live gluten-free or Live G-free fully cooked General Tso's chicken. You can find this at Aldi's. It's my go-to dish when I'm craving Chinese. Delicious. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day, everyone. Aldi has the pumpkin, cranberry, and gingerbread gluten-free donuts. So I just got done at Aldi and I decided to get the gluten-free cranberry donuts. What a score. Excited to try these. Papa Gino's has gluten-free pizza, so I went and got myself one with the works. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. If I can open it. There we go. Can't wait to eat that. Looks delicious. The other thing I found at Ollie's was this throwback edition of Gatorade. It is lemon lime flavor. I got 24 cans of these for $10. So very excited about this. And perfect for the holidays. Everyone gets a little throwback can of Gatorade and they can save the can as a souvenir. Gatorade is gluten-free. And it doesn't say it on the can, but if you do a search, all the ingredients are safe to consume. Pretty cool. Excited about this. It reminds me of when I was a kid. Alright, so I am not going to wait to dig into this pizza. I have a little peace and quiet right now in my car, so I'm going to go ahead and try a piece right now. I'm going to sanitize my hands really good. I keep going into the store and forgetting to buy hand sanitizer. I'm almost out. But for those of you who are new to my channel, many of you know already that I like to eat in my car. It's kind of a treat. Here's the pizza. And again, this was from Papa Gino's. I've had the gluten-free pizza there before. I would always check with your local Papa Gino's to make sure they prepare it separately. Guys, this is really good. You do pay a little extra, but man, this is delicious. Totally worth it. I highly recommend the gluten-free pizza at Papa Gino's. Thanks for joining me today. Oh wow. I can't remember the last time I had one of these. It tastes exactly the same. So I just stopped back into Aldi and I got some more of the gluten-free gingerbread donuts. And I wanted to try these, oops, the Mochi cookies and cream. So let's see what those taste like. They look good.